Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the project and saving a backup so you can experiment safely. Next, locate the exact bar where the song must end and set a timeline marker. This helps control everything. Once done, trim track regions to that marker and enable track automation. You will use it to shape volume and effects. Make sure to set the project tempo and check whether any tempo changes fall inside the end section, because those affect fades and final tails. You now craft the audible ending. Automate master or individual track volume to create a musical fade that matches the arrangement. At the same time, send instruments to a reverb bus and automate the reverb send so ambience continues after dry sounds drop. This preserves a natural decay. If your session is heavy, freeze or bounce instrument tracks before final render so CPU hiccups don't ruin the tail. Remember to audition the exit at different playback levels to confirm balance and presence. You finish by setting the cycle or export range to include the end tail and then export the project. Choose WAV or AIF if you need maximum quality. Once exported, verify the file in another player and at different playback volumes to ensure the ending feels right. If you hear clicks, pops, or abrupt cuts, add a short crossfade or tiny volume ramp on offending regions, then re-export. If CPU glitches cause stutters, lower buffer or rebounce instruments and try the export again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.